time for some more drone footage. I got Randy and Kim here from lot 171, and we're gonna head over to their lot in a little bit, launch the drone and get some video of their lot. They stay with us quite a few times this year in this beautiful Bluebird bus. I guess they no longer make Bluebird, but Randy has meticulously restored it to showroom condition, and it's beautiful. So I love having them here, and let's get right to the video. All right, Randy and Kim, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this is the Tennessee Woodlands at Buffalo River YouTube site. Like, subscribe, comment, ask some questions, and we'll see you in the next video.